Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making Hi guys, so I wasn't planning to film this, but I decided, hey, let me just do it to show you. So I had to cut down my papaya tree because we had a hurricane that had passed and I was fearful that it would have just fallen onto my plants. So what I did is that I cut off the top so that at least I can control, you know, so it doesn't just fall anywhere. It had some green papayas on it, so I harvested the green papaya. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually curry the green papaya with my chicken. So this is some chicken wings that I cut up and washed. I put some onion, I put some curry powder in it, some green seasoning, some ginger garlic paste, some salt. I used two types of curry powder here. I put a yellow one, and then I also put the chicken biryani spice curry powder. Okay, so I'm going to mix it. I'm going to put on my gloves and mix it up. And so I just wanted to highlight to you that if you have a green papaya, you can curry a green papaya. So I'm going to get to peeling and cutting this up. And of course, mixing up my chicken. Just going to massage everything in. The chicken biryani spice that I use for this is the Malay spices. You have one that's called a pilau. That one is not as spicy, and then there's a really spicy one called Bombay. I don't use the Bombay. I did use it already, but it's really spicy. I actually prefer the pilau, but I don't have the pilau. The one that I have is the Malay chicken biryani spices. So I added that to my chief curry powder. So it's two sets of curry powders that I have in here. So I'm just giving everything a nice massage, making sure that everything is well coated. Alright, so I'm going to put some coconut oil in my pot here. Now I'm going to put some curry powder. I'm going to leave this to saute for about 2 minutes. I'm also going to put in some smashed garlic. I'll leave it for it to get really nice and brown, just to extract the flavor from it into the oil. And then, okay, so guys, I'm not going to remove it. I just allowed it to get very brown, but I'm not going to allow it to get any darker. And so to prevent that, I'm going to add in the chicken now. Right, so I'm going to leave this to cook without adding any liquid for about 10 minutes. All right, I'm going to cover it as well. I will stir it in between that 10-minute period, but we're just going to let it burn off all this liquid without adding any more liquid. After this cooks for about 10 minutes on its own, let me turn in it and covering it in between. At the end of the 10 minutes, then I'm going to add liquid, which will be chicken broth. I'm also going to turn my fire down to medium. Okay guys, so as you can see, without even adding any liquid, the chicken has sprung a lot of water. So we're just going to leave this open now to allow this liquid to burn off. And then we will add in our green papaya, the rest of the seasoning that will remain in the bowl, and some chicken broth. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this open here to allow some of this liquid to burn off. All right, so what I'm going to do now, what I did was I put the papaya in the bowl that I had the chicken seasoning in, so I'm just going to add that now to the pot. All right, so let's just mix this in. And now I'm going to add my chicken broth, and then we're going to cover and allow this to cook completely. So we're just going to cover this and leave it to cook for about half an hour. Okay guys, so our green papaya and chicken curry is now completed. So if you were not aware that you could cook with the green papaya, now you know.